Hello everyone, this is Hina and normally I'm the one who's behind the camera, but today I'm stepping in front of it just to share a bit about myself. So let's dive in. It all started with my love for storytelling and video editing. I have always been fascinated by how creative visuals can turn raw information into something exciting and engaging. Making learning fun is what sparked my interest into content curation. People love content that blends practically with a dash of creativity. Things like explainer videos, visual storytelling with infographics, and interactive webinars. These formats help break down dense topics, making them relatable and digestible. When content feels like a conversation, people are much likely to connect with it. Augmented reality and interactive quizzes are game changers. Imagine learning tech concepts through interactive AR experience or testing your skills with a fun gamified quiz. It makes learning both engaging and memorable. I focus on breaking down complex ideas into relatable stories, starting with the why before diving into how and what. Keeps things simple, and adding visuals and analogies helps turn complex ideas into familiar concepts. It's all about striking the right balance. Have you tried turning it off and on again? It's not just funny, half the time it actually works. I would love to learn animation. It's such a fun way to bring stories to life and help explain complex ideas in a way that sticks with the people. Definitely inaccurate and outdated information. There's nothing worse than reading something that's no longer relevant or lacks critical updates. Visuals can be a huge plus too, and when they're missing, it just doesn't hit the same. I would focus on making tech simple for everyone. No jargon, just clear, easy to understand content that helps non-techies grasp the basics. Because tech shouldn't be a mystery, and I would love to be the one who helps to demystify it for everyday person.